So my name is Mercy, and we are at Samuel Leeds 4 days financial freedom challenge, rent to rent event. So I've come here to learn a bit more strategy. This is this is not the first time I'm training with Samuel Leeds, but I wanted more. So that's why I've come down to Heathrow, all the way from Harrogate. I drove over 4 hours to this place to learn a bit more about strategies that will make me more active in property, although I've done ones that are a bit slower, but I want like fast pound now. So that's why I'm here for the rent to rent financial challenge.
Fantastic. The last time you were here, you said there was a success story?
Yeah, so I was here for the property investment 4 days event as well. And that's where someone talked about BRL, flip. The BRL, by the way, is buy, refurbish, refinance, rent. Talked about flips and different other strategies. But before then, I had other properties that I would have done differently if I had learned from Samuel Leeds then. So I went away very hungry. I wouldn't have imagined to buy another house at that time, but I was really hungry for everything that I've learned. And I went to view houses, and I got a deal. A house I got for 250,000, and I was able to refurbish it at 50 grand, and it sold in a week for 408,000, so over 100 grand profit. This is something I wouldn't have imagined without the knowledge I got from the course I did last time. So that was why I said it's very, very good investment, and I'm definitely going to be joining the academy to be in the pool of network. But given that this was the last in-person course, I had to maximize the opportunity to be here first before signing up fully. But yeah, it's been an amazing experience so far.
Fantastic. And what's it like watching Samuel on stage? What's he like as an educator?
Well, I connect with him so much because I'm a very energetic person myself. So the connection is there. I love how he teaches and how he makes you believe that you can actually get whatever you put your mind to. So I've listened to a lot of property educators, but Samuel does it for me. We share the same faith and we share the same energies more or less. So yeah, he ticks all the boxes for me as a mentor and as an educator, yeah.
And to anyone thinking about getting into property, what would you say to them?
Well, when I came for the crash course and I signed up for the 4 days event, a lot of people told me that was too expensive. Why will you pay like 2,000 grand to sign up for this? And I thought, property is not cheap. I mean, if I'm going to invest that much in property, why not get the knowledge so that it saves me all the mistake I would have done? Imagine the property that we bought, the one I told you about, it was run down, and we're able to get apply for a refund on the stamp duty. You wouldn't know that from just reading online without getting the knowledge that you can actually get a refund on your stamp duty if the property is not inhabitable. So knowledge is very important, and is for a property investment that actually requires that is capital intensive. You can't spend any too much to get knowledge. That's what I think, yeah.
And you think this is the best education?
This is the best education, and this is where I want to be, yeah.